How to make over your closet in 8 simple steps. Whether you're planning a major closet overhaul or a simple DIY makeover, your first step should always be to declutter your closet. There's no point in wasting time organizing clothes you aren't going to wear. So before you do anything else, clear out your entire closet. Evaluate each item to separate what you love and want to keep from what you don't like, don't wear, and don't want. As you organize your wardrobe, keep in mind that the goal isn't just to make the closet look tidy temporarily. Rather, strive to make it easy to remain organized. Imagine opening your closet every day and quickly selecting an outfit without feeling frustrated or distracted. Before you put your newly reduced and seasonally selected clothes away, take a look at your empty closet. Does it need cleaning, painting, or other maintenance? Maybe you want to repair a broken hinge, replace a light bulb, or simply vacuum the floor. These minor improvements are easier to put off when the closet is full, so tackle them now. Accessories such as hangers, shelf dividers, and hooks can take your closet from drab to dream. But you need to choose the right ones. Because most closets already appear pretty busy, filled with clothing, shoes, and other items, choose neutral storage solutions, such as clear shelf dividers and simple wood hooks. When you're ready to hang up clothes, don't just stick everything in at random. Consider organizing your closet by like items so that all of your pants are together, as are your skirts, dresses, tops, and so on. Within those categories, organize items by color. Depending on the different activities you typically need to dress for, you might want to keep items such as formal wear, workout clothes, or work uniforms separate from the rest. If you have a hard time putting together outfits for work, fancy events, or other occasions, try pinning your favorite outfit combinations to the inside of your closet door. This way, you'll always have outfit inspiration at eye level when it's time to get dressed. Once you've sorted your clothing, shoes, and accessories into like-with-like categories, take the time to label anything you have tucked away in storage containers. This is especially important if your containers are being used for long-term storage, as you might forget what you've put in them. Not all of your closet needs to be hanging storage unless that's what you need it for. If you'd like a variety of storage options, consider installing a closet organizer with drawers or even putting a small dresser in your closet if you have the space. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.